This is our landing page. In the top right corner, you can sign in or book a demo if you'd like personal guidance from our team. Click sign in and choose your preferred option, such as Google or Apple. After signing in, you will arrive on the main page. In the center, you can see the input bar. This is where you ask your audience a question. Above the input bar, you can switch between quick and custom mode. We'll stay in the quick mode for today. Click the plus icon to choose an audience. You can create your own group or choose one from the marketplace. For this example, we will use a ready-made audience called the Italian wine consumers. Once we selected the group, it will appear under the input bar. You will also find a number of suggested angles. When you click on them, the platform provides relevant example questions for that topic. On the left-hand side, you can also upload existing surveys, product designs, images, or videos that you would like to receive a feedback on. For this example, we're going to ask the very simple question, what is the average price you pay for a bottle of wine? Once the answer is ready, you can click on the cluster icon to learn more about the selected audience. Here you can see which minds are part of the Italian wine consumer group, along with a brief summary of the audience. You can also explore some of the main sources that were used to create and inform this group. For more detailed information, open the Research tab. Here you will find more precise statistics and additional insights about the selected audience. Now let's return. Each mind has answered the question from its own individual perspective. At the bottom, you can see a summary of all 10 responses. This gives you a quick overview of the audience's overall opinion. To view the individual answer, move your cursor over the minds chart. You can then explore each response separately. For a deeper conversation with a mind, click the speech bubble icon. This allows you to ask follow-up questions, explore the reasoning behind an answer, and again, a deeper understanding of the individual perspective. Now let's take it one step further with a use case. Imagine that we want to sell our wine in Italy and need to find out which bottle design Italian consumers would be most likely to buy. We click the plus icon and upload the different bottle designs that we want to test. Once the responses are ready, we can immediately see how the audiences react to each design. In this example, the design does not resonate particularly well with the selected group. Below the responses, you will find the heat map tab. Click on it to explore consumers' reaction to different areas of the design. Above the picture, you can switch between A and B. Even though the results are not as positive as expected, this is one of the biggest advantages of Minds. It provides honest and authentic responses instead of sugar-coated opinions. The minds respond independently without the social pressure or group influence often found in traditional research. The results not only show which design perform best, but also explain what consumers like, dislike, and what can be improved before launch. And that's the basic workflow. You now know everything you need to get started. Choose your first target group, ask your first question, and try it yourself. For a more detailed walkthrough, check our part 2. Go to getminds.ai and get feedback from your niche audience.